Hello, superstars. I'm excited to have you in this very first lesson. And this lesson shall learn about biomes, ecosystems, and habitats. Biomes, ecosystem, and habitat. And we shall find out the meaning of biomes, the types of biomes, their characteristics, as well as about the habitats and the ecosystem. So first, you need to know the meaning of a biome. So what is a biome? A biome is a large community of plants and animals that are in an area. A biome is a large community of plants and animals in an area. So these biomes are usually with their own special characteristics that makes them different from one another. For example, each biome has their own climate, that is the weather of that area, the weather condition of that place, as well as their own vegetation, which means the type of plants that grows in that area. And that brings us to the types of biomes. Although there are so many types of biome, but they are divided into five main types, and these are aquatic, desert, forest, grasslands, and tundra. So we shall first look at the forest biome. The forest biome is usually characterized by large trees with plenty rainfall in the area and hot or moderate temperature. It is divided into three: tropical, temperate, and coniferous. So the next we shall look at is the grassland biome. This area of or biome usually have so many grasses and flowers but very few trees or bushes, and it is mainly divided into two: tropical and temperate. The next we shall look at is the desert biome. This has short rainy season. It is usually very dry, and here we can have trees, shrubs and grasses. Examples of plants that grow here are the cactus plant that can survive in dry area. The tundra biome is very cold. In fact, it is the coldest of all biomes, and it has no trees. Animals that can stay here are penguins and the polar bears. It's divided into three: Arctic, Alpine, and Antarctic. The aquatic biome is the largest of the biosphere. It is divided into two, and of course is mainly made up of water, the marine and the freshwater. The freshwater has little salt in it, only very little amount of salt. Examples are the lakes and the rivers. But the marine biome usually have large quantity of salt in them, and examples of these are the ocean and the coral reefs. So that brings us to the next topic, the ecosystem. So let's find out what is an ecosystem. An ecosystem is simply a group of living things interacting with their environment. Of course, in an environment, you have non-living things, but when there is an interaction or the non-living things are working together with the living things, it becomes an ecosystem. For example, we have a plant community. It is able to interact with its environment by getting nutrients from the soil, getting energy from the sun, or even getting water vapor or moisture or water from the air. In that case, it is interacting with its environment. The living things that are found in an ecosystem are called biotic factors, while the non-living things are the abiotic factors. Examples of the living things are the protists, animals, plants, fungus, bacteria, while non-living things include water, soil, light, minerals, and air. From the food chain, you can see the interaction. There's an interaction between the sun giving energy to the grass, for the grasshopper to feed on, and for all other animals to feed on the animals before them. So that brings us to the next habitat. Habitat is a natural dwelling place of a plant or animal. It is the natural environment where a plant or animal can grow and survive. This means each plant and animal have their own particular place they can survive. For example, the polar bears are able to do well in the Arctic region, which is in the tundra biome, because the sea ice is able to provide platform or space for them to breed and hunt. Whereas the orangutan is able to survive in the tropical rainforest. So each animals have their own habitats they can grow and survive, as well as plants where they can grow and thrive. So a quick summary of all we have learned so far. Biome is a community of plants and animals in an area. There are 5 main types of biomes, and an ecosystem is a group of living things interacting with their environment. An habitat is the natural home or environment of a plant or animal. So that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.